The month of May has been a bit of an active one for us, and we are at the halfway point of this month, and we're going to continue to talk about active conditions. Now, we were very notable there with that snowfall that brought us into the month, and then we've continued to see some active conditions, keep some showers in our forecast, allowing for both our precipitation categories there to stay above normal. Temperature-wise, a little below normal there by about 2 degrees, nothing that is significant, but what we're seeing is that we've had these really big ups and downs in the temperatures that continues to hold that trend there just slightly below normal. But what we have in place is a little bit of a dry period here that's going to take us into the weekend that will be paired up with some more above normal temperatures. We're near seasonal to start off our Thursday there into those 40s. Now, average high is about 67, and we're going to see more of those 70s try to stack up here as we are going to be pairing up some of these more near normal to above normal temperatures with some bright skies that should last all the way into the weekend forecast. But a concern that is back in play will be some of those typical Wyoming winds, some potential isolated areas of some high wind concerns, especially along some of our more traveled routes for those high profile vehicles, as there will be some of those stronger wind gusts to not talk about. But overall, expecting again pretty dry forecast. Next system that we'll be mentioning looking to bring its impacts by about Monday. So we will enjoy what should be a gorgeous Thursday. Again, seasonable temperatures. We are noting that we're starting to regain more of that west southwesterly wind. Not too much of a wind concern here for our Thursday, which will allow for much of the Cowboy State to hold on to some tranquil weather conditions. Can't rule out an isolated little rumble coming off of some of our higher elevation points with some of that warmth and instability, but nothing that's expected to really be organized or widespread should it move far off those mountain ranges, where we'll note that much of the state there tops off with temperatures just slightly above normal from 70 into Jackson, 77 into Worland to 74 into Gillette. East of the divide there, most locations heading towards those 70s, if not just shy of it by a few degrees. Friday, what we are watching is that temperatures again continue to warm. We're even looking at more chances for some of those upper 70s to even 80s possible. Generally all day sunshine, but we are watching the cold front that is going to quickly just clip areas of about I-90. So that brings a few little thunderstorms possible for some of our far northern regions. With that cold front, we're also noting that it is going to increase some winds east of the divide. So we're seeing everyone bring in the potential of that southwesterly flow to pull in some at least 35 to up to 45-mile-per-hour gusts. So again, especially towards more of our wind-prone areas to the south, that might bring some high wind concerns, but this is more of a typical wind that we can manage. Behind that frontal system, winds will try to take a little bit of a break as it turns back from that northwest to that southwesterly wind, and then winds will increase again on Sunday, bringing maybe back some of those isolated high wind concerns ahead of what will be more widespread showers and thunderstorms there on Monday, which then our trend into next week brings back several of those rain chances as well as more of those cooler than normal temperatures.